Just in case you haven't heard, the bill dubbed as One Big Beautiful Act, or OB3, was signed in July 4th. It is a very large piece of tax legislation. I would say if you look at a timeline, we had a very large piece of tax legislation in 1987. And then fast forward a few decades until the Tax Cut and Job Act and the Inflation Reduction Act came out, and now we've got this tax bill. So we've had a little fatigue of all these tax bills, but with that comes a lot of opportunities with that. And this is a good weird class. So you answered correctly if you answered A up above. Really, there was no wrong answer. But yeah, we are seeing out in the market, a lot of people are curious about this 100% bonus, and it really does kind of affect everything else that's around it in one way or another when it comes to your tax strategy. Particularly, I know we're talking construction and real estate here, it really applies for that industry more than I would say any other. Okay, I'm going to do the top 5 opportunities hiding your fixed assets. Then we'll move on to kind of a more technical on bonus. So when I'm looking at a fixed asset ledger, looking at a building portfolio, looking at construction in progress, these are 5 things that pop up, opportunities that pop up. One is, and this slide's a couple days old, I suppose, the story of the haunted 7th floor. Ghost assets. Ghost assets are things that are on your depreciation ledger that don't exist. Either you've got rid of them, they're fully depreciated, they shouldn't be on, wherever the case may be, they're not there. And one example of this, and this is an extreme example, but I was doing a tour of an office building and I had the listing of assets in front of me, and I asked to go see the 7th floor, and I was told by the facility engineer ever so kindly that there is no 7th floor in this building. We only go up to 6 floors. Long story short, the 7th floor was for another building that they had sold. I was able to dispose of those assets pretty quickly, and that was a $1.3 million deduction for the client. Are they all that easy? No, but the lesson here is it's a good time to go in and clean up. If you have hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands of assets, to go in and play the game of ghost assets, find those and get that deduction in the year that you need it.